south-facing wall is at least 30 feet across there for a gutter. And it's 60 feet down this side. And what's going on is the neighbor's roof is draining this side of the roof off of here, and the drain is catching all of the front and dumping it all right here, and it's going to the neighbors. And because of that, there is severe cracking on this stem wall all the way down here. So keeping water away from this stem wall is going to be the most important thing. And going into the backyard area here, we got another 50 feet. Connects to a patio. And it continues over here. And shim's going to the bottom of the stem wall here where there's severe cracking. And this is what you're looking for, these cracks and fractures. This is a short stem wall. It's about 16 inches. And you got rain gutters in the front that go around here. And their gutter comes out here. The neighbor also has rebar fracturing, is oxidizing here too, where this low area is concentrating the water. For more information, go to concreterepairman.com.